Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this beautiful, elegant style. 1 yard of fakara, 1.5 yard of fakara, even your 2 yards of fakara can do that. So bringing it out, fold it into 2 from the width, not from the length, from the width. Then gather it together like this. Watch closely what I'm doing. Then gather it together, hold it this way, place it on your head. Take everything to the back and knot it. The style is very simple, very easy. How you can get your round head tie with your Kara fabric, very easy. So knotting it at the back this way. Don't allow it to be too firm so that you'll be able to tuck it in. Then separate it. You know you folded it into 2. Separate it. Then take one to the back. Wash now, separate it, take one of it to the back, use it to cover your back very, very well. Pay attention to what I'm doing here. You separated it, remember you folded it into 2. Now separating it and taking one of it to the back, you use it to cover your back. Then you twist it if you mind. If you don't mind, you can just fold it and just tuck it in under that place that you knotted. Okay, just tuck it in very, very well. By doing this, you have covered your back very well. Now, coming to the front now, you use this other one now, raise it up and form your plaits. Very simple, very easy. Okay, so I'm going to take the plate now. Watch closely. Taking the plate. Take the plate. It's very easy, very simple. Now holding it in the middle. Remember, you're doing it all by yourself. Nobody is holding it for you. So hold that middle that you have already pleated so that it will not scatter while you continue the plate by the side. Then I drag it up a little bit to give it a height. Okay, so taking it to the back, you drop it gently while you still hold the middle with the other hand and plait this other side. So after plaiting this other side now, take everything to the back and knot it. You are cool to go. Then arrange your head wrap. You are done. Okay, so if this is the first time you're coming across my video and hearing my voice, the person you're hearing our voice is Demi Igili Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Alright, so you can see it now. Taking everything to the back now, I knot it. You can see how the back is beautifully closed. Okay, so knot it 2 times. If it does not go 2 times, use your pin and hold that 2 edges together. You are good to go. So that is what the back look like. You can see it. Then I'm done tying. What is left now is to arrange your head wrap until you get the desired result that you want. So please, as I said, this is Demi Igili Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please do well to drop your like and your comment. Please, if actually you are learning, share my videos to others to also learn and benefit from it. Share it to your friends and family, okay? And make sure that you are also learning. So thank you very much, all my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers. I say kudos to you all. Thank you for helping me to stay tuned. Please, those of you that is watching that have not subscribed, please press that subscription button and let's learn together. You can see how beautiful and elegant the head wrap is. So join me on my YouTube channel, Demi Igili Empire, and my Facebook, Demi Entertainment. Let's learn together. So that is the bag. You can see how beautiful it is, how elegant it is. We are ready to rock it and rock it and rock it. So thank you for watching. I will be expecting to see you in my next video. Bye.